Hey guys, what's up? My name is Curious Chef Abdullah, exploring the world cuisines. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first recipe. So today I will be sharing with you a recipe called Cheetos chicken popcorn. This is a very quick and easy recipe and I know you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started. So here I have quarter cup of all-purpose flour, quarter cup of cornstarch and one large egg. So the main ingredient that makes this recipe really special and unique are flaming hot Cheetos. Here I have 1 cup and as you can see I've grinded them into a very fine powder. So now let's start cutting the chicken. Now that the chicken is ready, let's start the marination. Now I'm going to marinate it for half an hour. So the first step for coating the chicken is to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to start with quarter cup of cornstarch, quarter cup of all-purpose flour, and just a little bit of salt, approximately quarter teaspoon. Now I'm going to mix it. So I'm mixing the chicken with my hands, but if you don't want to touch the chicken, you can shake it by putting a cover over it. Now that the chicken is evenly coated, let's add the egg. And just give it a good mix so that all the flour is coated with it. So now that the chicken is completely coated with egg, let's coat it with Cheetos. So I'm just adding a little bit at a time, like a few pieces. Bismillah. And I'm going to coat it evenly. And make sure when you're putting it that you separate them into pieces and not one big glob. And one important tip is that make sure you have one hand for the eggs and one hand for the Cheetos, so that way it's not one big mess. Now that the chicken is coated with Cheetos, I'm going to give it a shape by just smooshing. And now that it's in a round shape, our first Cheeto popcorn is ready. So now that the chicken popcorns are done, I'm going to keep them in the fridge for half an hour. So our chicken popcorns have been in the fridge for half an hour and as you can see the color has become a lot darker. So let's start frying. So I'm going to put a few of them on the spider and this is the safest way to fry them. And here my oil, I've heated up some oil and it's on medium flame. So you just need to fry these for about 2 minutes on medium flame. And now that they're done, let's take them out. So now that our chicken popcorns have finished frying, we're going to start plating. And for that, I have a little surprise. So here I have this small cute bicycle stand that I will use to plate. So I hope you like my recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.